Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making super easy deviled eggs. They taste a bit like heaven, to be honest. You only need 4 ingredients and they are quick to prepare. For the ingredients we need Dijon mustard, some cayenne pepper, paprika powder and salt, mayonnaise and of course eggs. Begin by boiling some water for the eggs. Add a big tablespoon of salt to the water. This prevents the eggs from cracking while being in the water. When the water is boiling, slowly add in all of the eggs and cook them for 12 to 14 minutes so they are hard boiled. After the cooking time, immediately drain the water and rinse them under cold water until the eggs have cooled down. In Holland we say de eieren laten schrikken. That's translated to you must scare the eggs. That's what makes the eggs peel easier. Leave them to sit in cold water for 15 minutes. Now gently crack the eggs and remove the shell. Cut them in half. And as you can see, they are cooked perfectly for this recipe. Now spoon out the egg yolks in a bowl one by one. Add half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, the mayonnaise and the mustard. Mash this with a fork until it's completely smooth. You can also use a food processor if you really want a silky smooth texture. Once it's smooth, grab one half of the egg and spoon in the egg yolk mixture. Repeat this for all your eggs. In the meanwhile, give your dog some love and attention. After you've done a good job with your dog, place the eggs on a nice plate. Sprinkle over some paprika powder. Curry powder will also taste great. And make sure to enjoy them to the max. I'm very happy with the result. And that's it! I love this recipe because 1. It's easy to make, 2. You can feed a whole crowd with it, and 3. It is super delicious. So I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And of course, I see you in the next video.